Had bought a product called slime that came in a big bottle, and let me show you guys just how great or hell of a it is. I put this stuff in here about a month or so ago, and so I caught a flat. Those tires are kind of expensive and kind of hard to find that size. So had already patched the tire. I mean, it's like all kinds. The tire had just rolled off the rim. Tire had just rolled completely off the rim as I was trying to come up this little hill right here. I guess you can see right here the little mark from the rim, and you know, the tire prints and stuff. And it has completely sealed this tire. Now I pulled over here with my truck and used the little, you know, the little Walmart tire inflators or whatever, and moved it around until the rubber touched the rim and it started to catch air and sealed it right on up. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do about that because I'm tired. As you can see, I got a lot of work to do, and I was really aggravated about catching that flat, but I am really glad at how well the slime worked like it said it would, even a month or two down the line.